Good morning, students. Today we will begin with the lesson 4, the air around us. In this lesson, we will learn that why do we need air? What is air pollution? Harmful effects of air pollution, and how can we keep the air clean? Children, have you ever seen the air? Can you taste it? Can you hold it? Definitely not. But yes, we can feel the presence of air. Air is all around us. We breathe air all the time. And yes, it is a very important element for all the living beings, whether they are human beings, animals, insects, or plants. Air that surrounds us is the combination of different gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, and there are many other gases also. Out of these, some gases are very important for us, and some are important for plants. Actually, air is made up of several gases and moisture. Now you would think that what is moisture? Moisture is the amount of water that is present in air. Students, now let me tell you that if the combination of these air gets disturbed and different gases gets unbalanced, what can happen? Yes, the air becomes harmful for us. This is why it is important that the air we breathe should be clean and fresh. If we breathe impure air or dirty air, we can be sick. It is also not good for our environment. When the air becomes dirty due to smoke and harmful gases, it is called air pollution. Now, let us come to know the causes or reasons of air pollution. First of all, air pollution is caused by the smoke emitted by factory or industrial plants. Have you seen the chimneys that release or emits the smoke? Don't you think that it makes the air dirty? Secondly, the very common cause of air pollution is the emission of smoke or exhaust by vehicles. Every day, we see the large number of vehicles running on the road causing the traffic. When the fuel used in these vehicles burns up, it causes the pollution. Then some of you have seen that in our houses, people use coal, kerosene oil, and wood as a fuel. And when we burn wood, coal, or kerosene oil, that also produces smoke, which results into air pollution. Use of pesticides or fertilizers also cause air pollution because when these pesticides are sprayed on the crops, the harmful chemicals also mix up in the air. Many of us like to burst crackers on some special occasions to show our joy or to celebrate. But do you know that these crackers also emit poisonous gases into air? Students, when we pass through the area where the garbage is dumped, you must have experienced the foul smell of garbage. And what do? We cover our nose because the foul smell of rotten things is spoiling the surroundings. So, students, somewhere we are only responsible in increasing the air pollution. Because of human activities only, the balance of different gases in the air gets disturbed. So in the next video, we will come to know about how can we control air pollution and what role can we play to save our environment. Till then, take care of your surroundings. Goodbye.